Very funny. Teacher Mary's crazy morning routine. Happy days are here again. Not. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to Miss Teacher English Channel Official. I'm Teacher Mary, and today I'm going to tell you about my morning routine. My crazy morning routine. So grab your coffee, sit down, and let's laugh together. Are you ready? Let's start. 6 a.m., wake up. Wow, wow. Yes. What is that? Oh no, my cats, Isa and Josefina, they're fighting. Again. Every single morning. I jump out of bed. I'm scared. My heart is racing. Girls, stop fighting, I shout. But do they listen? No. Cats never listen. And this is how my day starts. Welcome to my life. 6:15 a.m. Baby crying. Wah, wah. Now my baby is crying. I run to his room. Good morning, sweetie. I pick him up. He smiles. So cute. But wait, what's that smell? Oh no. Diaper time. Not the best way to start the day, but okay, let's do this. 6:30 a.m., grumpy daughter. Time to wake up my daughter. I go to her room. Honey, wake up. Time for school. She doesn't move. Sweetie, please. She opens one eye. Oh, 5 more minutes. Every day, the same thing. She's like Rachel from Friends, so grumpy in the morning. I understand, honey. I understand. 6:35 a.m., zombie husband. Now my husband. Honey, wake up. I need help. He opens his eyes. I'm awake, he says. But he's not awake. He's a zombie. He walks around. He tries to help. But he puts the milk in the cupboard and the cereal in the fridge. Honey, what are you doing? Helping, he says. Oh boy, he's like Joey before coffee. Not a morning person. 6:45 a.m., coffee time. I need coffee right now. I make coffee. The smell is beautiful. I drink my first cup. Now I can think. My husband drinks coffee too, and suddenly he's awake. His eyes are open. Coffee is magic, people. Pure magic. 7 a.m., breakfast drama. Time for breakfast. I make eggs, I make toast, I make juice. My daughter comes to the kitchen, still grumpy. I don't want eggs. What do you want? I don't know. Cereal? No. Toast? No. Then what? I don't know. This is my life every morning, just like Roz trying to feed Emma. Total chaos. 7:15 a.m., lunch panic. Wait, did I make her lunch? I checked the fridge. No lunch. Oh no, I forgot again. My husband laughs. Again, Mary? Don't laugh. Help me. I run around. I make a sandwich. Fast. I put fruit in the lunchbox. Juice box. Cookies. Done. Crisis solved. I'm like Phoebe, always forgetting things, but it's okay. 7:25 a.m., shower battle. Sweetie, shower time. I don't want a shower. You need a shower. Why? Because. We argue. Finally, she goes. Victory! My husband showers too. He comes out. Now he's really awake. The shower is magic. Better than coffee. 7:40 a.m. Brush teeth. Brush your teeth. She brushes for 5 seconds. More. 5 more seconds. Good enough. It's not, but we're late. I brush my teeth too. Super fast. Speed brushing. Olympic level. 7:45 a.m. Close a crisis. Time to get dressed. The shirt? No. The dress? No. What do you want? I don't know. 10 minutes later, she chooses something. Finally. But wait, her socks don't match. One blue, one pink. We need a change. No, I like it. Okay, mismatched socks it is. I get dressed too. Fast. Do my socks match? I don't know. No time to check. 7:59 a.m. Hair time. Time to comb hair. I comb my daughter's hair. Ouch, that hurts. Sorry, sweetie. I make a ponytail. It's a little crooked, but it's okay. I comb my hair. Fast. I look in the mirror. Good enough. I comb my baby's hair. He has 3 hairs, but I try. He laughs. Cute. 8 a.m. Swimming bag. Mom, my swimming bag. Swimming bag. Oh, no. I forgot. I run everywhere. Where's the swimsuit? Found it. Where's the towel? Found it. Where are the goggles? Found them. I put everything in the bag. My husband shakes his head. Mary, Mary, Mary. I know. But I did it. 8:10 a.m. Goodbye kisses. We're ready. Finally. My husband kisses me. Have a good day. You too. My daughter hugs me. She kisses me. She's smiling now. My baby kisses me. A wet kiss. So sweet. I love my family. Kiss, kiss, kiss. 8:15 a.m. School run. We run to the car. We're a little late. We drive to school. Traffic. Come on. We arrive just in time. Bye, Mom. Love you. Love you too, sweetie. She runs to school. Happy. 8:30 a.m. Finally. I drive home. I'm tired. So tired. But happy. My family is happy. Every morning is crazy. Every morning is chaos. Every morning is funny. And I love it. This is my life. Your turn. So tell me, is your morning crazy too? Do you forget things? Do you run around like crazy? Do you have grumpy kids, a zombie husband, cats fighting? Tell me in the comments. I want to hear your stories. Because if your morning is crazy like mine, you're not alone. We're all in this together. We're all a little crazy, and that's okay. Subscribe now! If you enjoyed this video, if you laughed, if you said, that's me, please hit that subscribe button right now. Subscribe to Miss Teacher English Channel Official. This is the official channel. Don't forget, Miss Teacher English Channel Official. Hit the bell icon too, so you don't miss any videos. And give me a thumbs up. Like this video. It helps a lot. Share with your friends. Share with your family. Let's laugh together. See you next time. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. I'll see you in the next video with more crazy stories, more English lessons, and more fun. Bye-bye. Have an amazing day. And remember, your morning routine is perfect, even if it's crazy. See you soon. Bye. Happy days are here again. End.